Hey everybody, I'm gonna show you my Pink Sugar Heart Attack makeup tutorial using the Siren Allure Colourpop makeup collection. First, we're going to take a fluffy brush and use flesh-toned eyeshadow on the brow bone. Then we're going to take the Pretty Guardian eyeshadow palette and use the shade Silver Crystal. We're going to place this on our lids and we're going to pack it with a flat brush. Then with a fluffy brush, we're going to take the shade Moon Castle and place it in our crease area. The smaller brush, we're going to take the same shade and line our lower eyelid. Then we're going to take a flat brush and take the shade Love and place it on the outer third of our eyelid. And with a fluffy brush, go ahead and blend out the edges. Using the shade Silver Crystal, I went back and placed some more on my eyelid so that I could blend it with the color Love. Then using the smaller brush again, pick up the shade Love and place it on the outer third of the bottom eyelid, blending it with the shadow on the upper eyelid. I picked up the shade Moon Castle again to add some more color onto my crease. Okay, now I'm going to put the rest of my face on. For blush, go ahead and use the shade Cat's Eye on your cheeks. Then to finish the look, place the shade Sailor Moon on your lips. And that completes this look. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Now go out and be magical. Thanks for watching! And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.